Alright, I replaced the capacitor in there on my soft key. Hopefully that'll do it. We're going to fire it up here in a minute and see if that done anything different. Ready, set? I think we're all right. Damn. Running good on that. Alright, tubes are heating up. Hang on, I'm hearing something. I don't know if it's the fan or not, but... But anyway, I don't like to take chances. Now let me thermally check shit and see if anything's getting hot. Caps are good. How's that new cap? Good. 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 I have to make a foot pedal for this tomorrow. Good, good, good. It shined through on the tubes a little bit. See if the tubes are getting hot in there yet. Well, it's still plugged in. I still got some high voltage, so I ain't touching it. But anyway, nothing seems to be getting too freaking hot on the initial startup. All right, everybody, have a great evening. Hope I didn't bore you stiff, but seems to be working now. So tomorrow I got to make me a foot pedal, and let's get on with the business. Peace be with you, weed killer back.